Good morning, welcome to the vlog.
Morning!
What'd you get?
Cold brew with a pinch of almond milk, not a splash. More.
I got the same. I got a cold brew with almond milk, and I also got the sugar-free vanilla syrup, which is so good. Also, what's up, Maya? Obsessed with you, love you, girl. Update, we made it home. I put some makeup on. I also put probably a whole can's worth of dry shampoo in my hair. I don't know why I didn't wash it this morning. I think last night I was like, oh, I'm gonna wash it in the morning, and then this morning came in, I just kind of rolled out of bed and I didn't wash it, so don't look too close. I will say it looks good. It already had some like texture to it, but I used my like big curling iron, the T3, to like go underneath to kind of give it that blow dry look. And then I went in with my hot round brush and kind of just like tamed her down a little bit so it looked a little prettier, as if it's actually like clean and, you know. Anyways, I have a lot to do today, but at the same time, my one big goal is to pack for Asia, because we are going to Tokyo and we are doing 5 or 6 days there. Then we're doing 5 or 6 days in Korea and Seoul. I am truly so excited, and I'm getting giddy because I'm so excited. So I'm just like, I'm so excited. However, I will say I have yet to pack anything. So yeah, and it's already like 1:30. I have a few calls I have to do too. I wanted to get nice for some Zooms that I have. Other than that, we're really just packing. And yeah, also this top, I love it. I kind of forgot I had it. It's from Urban. I'll have it linked. Good American jeans. Nike socks. That's the fit. Okay, Rosie and Chloe always get so sad when they see suitcases, so I'm gonna try to pack as much as I can without bringing the suitcase up yet, because I love them and I don't want them to be sad. Also, I got these off of Amazon. The one thing I did when I built, because I built this closet from IKEA, like honestly, it was so easy, it was so simple, but the one thing I forgot to do was incorporate, because I got the handles I got are like very sleek, which I really like, but there's nowhere to like hang a hanger. For instance, like, it doesn't work, okay? So I didn't think about that when I was building it. I'll put some here, but I don't know, it's kind of hard to like see the whole outfit as a whole. So what I did was I bought these little hooks off of Amazon. They're literally just meant for like baseball hats, but you get it. Like, that's what it's necessarily meant for, and you can put a whole bunch of caps and stuff, but I mean, we can do that. But I mostly got it so I can actually have somewhere to hang my clothes. For instance, if I'm trying to put an outfit together, or if I'm even just, you know, packing, for instance. So I think it came with like 5. So I have one here, and then one here, and then I also put 2 here and here, so I can do like a top and bottom situation and like pick out outfits. So needless to say, I'm stoked to pack today for that exact reason. And just came with like a sticker adhesive, so I didn't have to like drill into it or anything like that. So they're definitely like cheap plastic, but I'm excited. Sometimes I feel like no one cares, but maybe you do. Highly recommend. They were so inexpensive. All right, we're making some progress. I feel like we still have a lot to do, but I at least kind of like have started the process of everything. And as you can see, we're using our new little hooks, which I fucking love. I have some jackets here. I think I want to bring, I really like this one. And then I feel like a cute little cropped blazer would be super cute. Also, I didn't really buy anything for this trip because I have so much shit. I'm like, I don't want to go shopping or anything, but I did get a couple things from Lululemon. And the only reason why I got it is because I made a TikTok about this. It was like things I wish I knew before going to Tokyo. And I remember the very first time I ever went was in like 2019. I brought all of these like cool trendy outfits. The second I got there, I was like, oh my God, everything I've seen on Instagram is not how it is in real life, which obviously that's a no-duh brainer. Anytime you're traveling out of the country, you should always like just do a little research about where you're going, the culture and everything. And even though like we didn't get any weird looks, like, but if we weren't in the super touristy places, like if we weren't in Shibuya, if we weren't on like Harajuku or like, you know, anything like that, I definitely personally felt out of place. I was like, oh my God, like people would be like, oh my God, like cute. Like you could tell they liked, I don't know. I just felt very touristy. And then I remember that trip I flew out my family. It was like their first time, my parents' first time like out of the country and stuff. It was like one of my favorite trips ever. But Ashley was coming. So I remember texting her like, oh my God, can you please bring me like normal clothes, like some t-shirts, some like just plain pants and all that stuff. So needless to say, I've learned a lot. And then last year when we went, I remember thinking I really would love some more like linen pants because it's so hot. But at the same time, especially with public transportation, like I hate when my skin is touching like planes or trains or anything. And obviously you're using the train system a lot, which is extremely clean. But I remember thinking like, wow, I wish I had some like light breezy pants. I'm saying all this to say I really wanted some like light breezy pants that I can just like wear throughout the city that's still really cute but also comfortable. And I had a Lululemon gift card like credit. I was like, might as well check it out. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, first of all, online, so much better. They also have I feel like everyone and their mother knows this. They have a tab called We Made Too Much, and it's their stuff on sale. Nothing's wrong with it. It's not like used or anything. It's so nice. I'm like, what? How did I not know about this? This is obviously newer. They're definitely going into the more like chic business vibe too. Like I know they came out with some trousers. Please look at this skirt that I got. I will link it, okay? This is a midi skirt that honestly looks like it's from Reformation or something. Like I guarantee if my life depended on it, I could not guess this was Lululemon. Like it's so soft, like workout material, but it's nice. The back has a little slit and there's pockets. Like this is everything I was picturing. I had no idea they even made clothes like this. I got so excited. The main reason why I even was looking at Lululemon is because I needed more undershorts for under dresses and things. Again, with the whole like skin touching benches or all that kind of stuff. Like I'm always wearing shorts underneath a skirt, a dress, whatever. So I bought some more of the like Align shorts, and then I saw this skirt. I was like, oh my God. And I can just tell it's gonna be a staple, but I love how it doesn't look like it's a workout. Like it looks nice. I could wear this to an extremely nice dinner. It's also unbelievably soft. Like I can't even explain how soft this is. I don't know the name. I will link it. I mean, the pockets, the material, everything. I'm wowed. And then I also got, this is the Swift wide leg mid-rise pants. And these are exactly what I was talking about earlier. They're just literal like baggy pants that again, I would never guess are from Lululemon. So I'm really excited to try these out. I'm really stoked for this skirt. These pants I'm excited for because I think we're hitting like great weather and I think it's gonna be pretty warm. So again, I just wanted some like light breezy stuff. I'm also packing like some shorts like this, little linen shorts, a little windbreaker with a hood in case it rains because I have learned to always travel with that. Hey Siri, what's the weather in Tokyo right now?
It's currently cloudy and 63 degrees in Tokyo, Japan.
Okay. Hey Siri, what's the weather in Seoul, Korea right now?
It's currently cloudy and 60 degrees in Seoul, South Korea.
So it seems like the layers are gonna be good, as well as my rain jacket. I feel like we should just bring lots of like layerable stuff. I really don't want to have to bring another suitcase, so I'm gonna try to make sure my outfits go together. I still have to do toiletries, but I'm gonna do that tonight. Cool. What happened?
I sat down and then they sat on me and now I can't move.
How long have you been here?
A minute.
I literally was like, I thought we were having lunch together.
What's on our paw? A sticker? There's a sticker on our paw.
We are taking a slight little packing break. I also forgot I'm bringing Yuka, my friend who lives out there, some like toys and stuff for her niece and my niece and nephew, like her daughter. And wow, can't talk. I forgot I'm bringing presents for friends who are visiting. Regardless, I'm gonna have to bring 2 big suitcases because I went a little hard on being a cool aunt and bringing a lot of toys. So regardless, I have to bring 2 larger suitcases, and then I do want to bring like a rolly carry-on, only because my back, I went to the chiropractor again yesterday just to like help be a little preventative, and we did new x-rays, and my x-rays from 2 years ago to my x-rays now have gotten worse. Yeah, he was like, normally like it gets better. I was like, oh. So that kind of sucks, but regardless, bringing a rolly one because my back will thank me. Traveling with your laptop and your hard drive and like all of that, it gets so heavy, so. I am hitting a slight little wall. I might take an editing break because I did just get a vlog sent to me, which I need to look over and do some edits to. And then I also need to do the pretty basic thumbnail today because it's going up tomorrow. So our episodes usually go up at like 6 a.m. So I need to do that also. So I think I might take a little editing break. I came into Ashley's room to bother her and I was like, oh, like she's going to an event so she's getting ready. And I literally go, oh my God, what are you gonna do with your hair? And she stopped and looked like, I already did my hair. But it looks way better now.
It's extremely awkward. And I was like, wow, I suck at hair, which is like something I've always known, but you know.
No, it was the headband.
Really did okay.
It looks like you had the headband in from doing your makeup.
Yes. Totally.
But look, hi.
Thanks.
Hi.
These are Alicia's jeans.
I'm gonna borrow the top. Where's it from?
It's from Revolve.
I love it.
I'm actually not sure what brand it is. Does it say?
Lovers and Friends.
Lovers and Friends. It's like, it looks denim, but it's actually really thin. It's a great, like, breathable summer.
Wait, I love it.
Thanks.
All right, updates. I'm hitting a wall. I'm a little tired. Clearly. Form a sentence, Alisha. We're about halfway packed. I'm feeling really good. Definitely still have a lot more to do. And like I said, I hit a wall. So I took a break from packing. I did some editing. I got a vlog up and then I had 2 calls, which went really well. And then now I actually got done a little earlier than I thought. So I think I have time. I can actually go get my nails done before they close, which I'm excited for because a part of me was like, I can get my nails done in Japan. They're gonna break any second. They're so overgrown. So I think I'm gonna run to the nail salon and get my nails done. And yeah, next time you see them, ready for, should we do a transition? This is the before. Not too bad, but definitely when you look close, they're not the best. And this is the after. That was my transition from me yesterday. I was like, fuck, I never showed my...
Tell them about this morning?
No, oh my God, you guys, hot mess, but we're here, we're at the airport. Yeah.
We're here! We got so much luggage.
When I tell you, I set my alarm to wake up when I actually was supposed to leave and I wasn't fully packed. Remi literally texted me being like, I'm ready. And I was like, oh cool, I'm gonna like snooze for 10 more minutes and then finish packing. Like, I don't know what the hell I brought. I'm just letting you know. Look, I have jeans in my tote.
How much were you packed? Like 80%?
Like 85.
Okay, that's good.
It was good. And I had a checklist on my phone, so I got all the important things. And then I was like, did I do my face skincare this morning? Nope.
Okay, I didn't either. I brought face masks. We're good.
Anyway.
We got a 12-hour flight. We're fine. We're fine.
I'm so excited. We're going to Tokyo. Baby, we're going to Tokyo. And we've never really, like, we've been together, but like, okay, let's go.
Like, together. And Korea.
And Korea. I'm so excited. They now have an outfit at Terminal 3. Delta Terminal 3. Terminal 3. And I'm so excited.
We get a high noon.
Ooh.
Party started.
I might have some wine on the plane. We got 12 long hours. Ew. Look at that. I just need to like get my life together. Cheers. Cheers. We just got in our seats. They're so nice. Hey, Rem. Hey, girl. We just got here.
This is fucking crazy.
No,
not the walk-in closet. Not the giant bathroom. I can't with you. I mean, this is amazing. Thank you for doing all this. Not the walk-in closet. Honestly, I'm gonna unpack.
We should.
Giant closet.
The robes. Wow.
We're gonna live it up.
Look, we can have morning coffee here. This view is insane. This is so pretty. I swear to God, I did not know this was. I feel like they upgraded us.
Oh my God, look at the plane. And then the coolest part of all, boom, we've got curtains.
Oh my God, stop. Remi!
Remi!
Oh my God.